Okay, cable cast on for our essential blanket, and we use our circular needles because we end up with about 180 stitches, so we need the extra length. That's why we use the circular needles, but we just knit back and forth. So the first thing I'm going to do is form a slip knot with my yarn. Right, so to do that I just hook my thumb through there and then loop it through like so. A bit more of a tail on our yarn. Okay, and then put a needle through that and slide it up close to the needle, don't pull it too tight. So we've got our working yarn on the right hand side, our tail on the left, and we pick up our other needle, which will be our right hand needle, and that loop there is our first stitch obviously, and then we're going to create the second stitch by putting the right needle into the front and under the left needle, and then take your working yarn, wind it around and over the top of your right needle and slide it back up and up through, and then we're going to actually put that on our left needle, that stitch, that new stitch that we've made. So that's stitch number 2. Our third and following stitches, this is where the cable cast on comes in. We go actually through the center of the 2 stitches, so you can see there, I'm right between them. Working yarn on our right goes around and over the top of our bottom needle, and then we slide that bottom needle through and up and put that next stitch on with our left needle. So that's our third stitch, and then we carry on between those 2 stitches again. Working yarn goes around over the top of our right needle, slide it back up and hook that stitch on. Now each time I'm pulling on the working yarn to firm up that stitch, but I'm not pulling it really tight, so we need to be able to slide our needle through between the 2 stitches quite easily. So we're on to our 5th stitch, so we're going to go around over the top, pull our right needle under, through and up, and hook that on with our left needle. And you can, once you get the hang of it, you'll get quite a rhythm going. And that is a cable cast on.